Okay, good morning, everybody. Our next concept is entropy as a function of temperature and pressure. And next question is the entropy as a function of temperature and volume. Or the first one is this one is better, right? Entropy as a function of temperature and volume. Next question is entropy as a function of temperature and pressure. Both questions are almost similar procedure, but entire thermodynamics, entropy as a function of temperature and volume and temperature and pressure, both are very difficult questions, and maximum depends upon the mathematical derivation. There is no matter explanation. That's why observe very clearly, very important also, okay, and difficult also, okay na. Don't fear about the difficultness, okay na. Try to understand. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, first of all, entropy as a function of temperature and volume. Here entropy as a function of temperature and volume, consider as entropy indication yes equal to as a function of temperature and volume. Okay, after then doing the partial differential of this equation with respect to variable of temperature and volume. Once again, doing a partial differentiate with respect to variable temperature and volume. How to differentiate? Very simple. This equation how to write, please observe clearly. Doing partial differentiate with respect to temperature and volume. First of all, doing differentiate, ds equal to, first of all, with respect to temperature, write down like this: dou s by dou t at constant volume into dt, plus, now with respect to volume, simply dou s by dou v at constant temperature into dv. This is the equation number 1. Then in a thermodynamics, when will comes to the volume, we remain to internal energy. What about internal energy equation? dE is equal to TdS minus PdV. How to will come this equation? Very simple. From this equation taken from the first law of thermodynamics and entropy equation. Okay na? Please observe the rough work. Actually, the first law of thermodynamics equation, dq is equal to w plus dE. This is the first law of thermodynamics equation. Okay, from this equation, dq is equal to w means pdv plus dE. Okay, entropy equation. What about entropy equation? ds is equal to dq by t. Here dq is equal to TdS. In place of dq, substitute TdS. TdS is equal to PdV plus dE. Here dE is equal to TdS minus PdV. This is the internal energy equation. That is the thermodynamics equation also, thermodynamics relation also. dE is equal to TdS minus PdV. Now this is the equation number 2. Totally 9 equations are there. Already 2 equations completed. Equation number 1 and 2. Here when internal energy comes to, simply as internal energy as a function of T and V, like this one. Here entropy as a function of T and V. Here internal energy as a function of T and V, like this. Internal energy as a function of T and V. Here also same thing. Internal energy as a function, doing partial differentiate with respect to temperature and volume. How to? Like equation number 1. In equation number 1, in entropy is there. In equation number 3, internal energy, like this: dE is equal to dou E by dou T at constant volume into dt, like this. After then plus with respect to volume, dou E by dou V at constant temperature into dV. Equation number 3 is the completed. Now from 2 and 3, from 2 and 3, here 2 d is equal to equation number 3 also d is equal to, from 2 and 2 equal to 3, we can write TdS minus PdV. TdS minus PdV is equal to this equation, dou E by dou T at constant volume dt plus dou E by dou V into dV. After then, here after equation number 3, small simplification is there. TdS equal to minus PdV, write as here dou E by dou T at constant volume into dt plus dou E by dou V at constant temperature. Here dV term is there, here PdV is there, and first of all we can write dV, after then minus PdV, when this write plus PdV, after then ds is equal to ds is equal to 1 by T into dou E by dou T into dt plus dou E by dou V, here dV term dV is the common, plus P into dV. This is the equation number 4. Now we are a comparison of 1 and 4. Right, 1 by T. Okay, comparison of equation number 1 and 4. Okay, now when we are observing 1 and 4, in equation number 1 ds, here also ds, here dt term is there, here dt term, here dv term is there, here dv term is there. That's why comparison 1 and 4. Okay, now this term equal to this term, simply I am writing dou S by dou T at constant value equal, here dt is the dt cancel, that's why I am not writing. Okay, after then 1 by T into dou E by dou T. This is the equation number 5. Okay, now we know very well CV is equal to dou E by dou T. Okay, now in place of dou E by dou T we can write CV also, and that means 1 by T into CV. This is the equation number 5 also we can say. Okay, na dou S by dou T at constant volume is equal to 1 by T CV, equation number 5. This is also equation number 5, this one also 5. Next, after then comparison 1 and 4, dou S by dou T term comparison, after then dou V term and dou V term comparison. Okay, now how to we get equation number 6, dou S by dou V at constant temperature is equal to dou E by dou V at constant temperature plus P. This is the equation number 6. Equation number 6. After then, first of all, we will take equation number 5. Equation number 5. Okay, equation number 5. Equation number 5, this is the equation number 5. Equation number 5, doing partial differentiate with respect to dou by dou V. Here dou T term is there, dou T term is there. The opposite term is the dou V. That's why equation number 5 differentiate with dou V. After then equation number differentiate with dou by dou T. Here equation number 6 is the dou by dou V, like this. That's why differentiate with opposite term is the temperature. That's why equation number 5 differentiate with dou by dou V, and equation number differentiate with dou by dou T. Okay, now and as per UV rule, okay, now what about UV rule? You know very well UV rule, for example, dou by dou x UV is there. Okay, now how to differentiate? First of all, U is the constant. After then differentiate with V, and that like this, dou by dou V by dou x, plus then V is the constant, differentiate with U like this, dou U by dou x like this. This manner equation number 5 differentiate with dou by dou V. First of all, I am writing equation number 5. What is equation number 5? Simply dou S by dou T at constant value equal to 1 by T dou E by dou T. This is equation number 5. After then the T term write as left side. How to? Here by T, here multiply T. T into dou S by dou T at constant value equal to dou E by dou T at constant value. This is equation number 5. We know very well. After then this equation differentiate with dou by dou V. This equation differentiate with dou by dou V. How to differentiate? Clearly, please observe clearly. Right. Dou by, first of all, temperature is the constant like UV rule. After then dou by dou V differentiate with dou S by dou T. Dou square S by dou V dou T at constant value. Then plus, then dou S by dou T is the common. Dou S by dou T is the common. And differentiate with the temperature. Dou T by dou V. Okay, na? Equal to. After then dou, only one term is there. There is no UV terms. Okay, na? Like this. Dou square E by dou V dou T at constant value. Okay, now further simplification. Here we know very well like this. Dou by dou x y is equal to 0. Why? Because there is no differentiate with y. Okay, here also same thing. Dou t by dou v means this term totally will be 0. 0 multiplied dou s by dou t also 0. And the final equation we get dou square s by dou v dou t equal to dou square e by dou v dou t. Equation number 7. After then we take equation number 6. What about equation number 6? Number 6 also, here also 1 by t is there. The 1 by t multiplied with inside the bracket also. Here 1 by t. Okay na? Now I am writing once again equation number 6. Okay na? Dou s by dou v is equal to 1 by t dou e by dou v plus p. Here multiply t. When we can write left side, here divided, here multiply. This is the equation number 6. We know very well. After then equation number 6 differentiate dou by dou v means dou by dou t. Differentiate with dou by dou t. Okay na? Right. How to differentiate? Simply once again please clearly observe. Here first of all temperature is the constant. After then dou by dou t differentiate with dou s by dou v. Okay na? Dou square s by dou t dou v. After then dou s by dou v is the constant. Dou s by dou v is the constant. After then dou by dou t differentiate with t, and then dou t by dou t equal to, here dou e by dou v, dou square e by dou t dou v plus p is there. Here dou p by dou t. Okay na? Simple. Dou t means 1, and remaining equation we can write t dou square s by dou t dou v plus dou s by dou v equal to dou square e by dou t dou v plus dou p by dou t. This is the equation number 8, 7 and 8. Here in equation number 7, dou square e dou v dou t. Here also dou square e dou t dou v. And that means equation number 7 substitute in equation number 8. Okay. how to? First of all, I am writing equation number 8. T dou square s by dou t dou v plus dou s by dou v is equal dou square e by dou t dou v. Here also dou square e by dou v. Okay, and in this place we can write this term. Okay, now how to write? T dou square s by dou v dou t, same equation. Okay, na? After then plus dou p by dou t. Okay, now these two terms will be cancelled. Remaining equation dou s by dou v is equal to dou p by dou t. Okay, equation number 9. After then equation number 5 and 9 substitute in 1. Okay, now equation number 9 and 5 substitute in 1. For example, what about equation number 5? This is the fifth equation, dou s by dou t. In equation number 1, dou s by dou t is there. In place of dou s by dou t, substitute 1 by t cv. After then equation number 9, what about equation number 9? Dou s by dou v. Here also dou s by dou v is there. In place dou p by dou t. Okay, now how to? Simply equation number 1, ds is equal to dou s by dou t in place of 1 by t cv into dt plus dou s by dou v in place substitute 9th one, dou p by dou t into dv. This is the entropy as a function of t and v. Okay, thank you very much. Here just wait, here even equation entropy as a function of t and p also same thing. Sometime asking in exam purpose like this, t and v, in place of t and v write down v and t also. Sometime asking anything you can write t and v. After then here also same thing, pressure and temperature like this. Okay na, anything you can write this type of equation. Okay na, now click close. Next concept is the entropy as a function of temperature and pressure. Previously we are discussed temperature and volume. Temperature and volume completed. Now we wants to discuss temperature and pressure. Almost as it is same like this. Okay na. For example, right here entropy as a function of temperature and pressure. Same thing, doing partial differentiate with temperature and pressure. ds is equal to, first of all, with respect to temperature, dou s by dou t into dt plus dou s by dou p into dp. After then, when just previously temperature and volume, when volume is there, must be remember internal energy. When pressure is there, must be remember enthalpy equation. Okay, after then first equation we comes to enthalpy equation. What about enthalpy? Enthalpy basic equation E plus PV. Doing differentiate both side, dH is equal to dE plus PdV plus VdP. In place of dE, previous equation, what about dE is equal to? dE is equal to TdS minus PdV. dH is equal to TdS minus PdV plus PdV plus VdP. Okay, here minus PdV plus PdV will be cancelled, and that means dH is equal to TdS plus VdP. This is dH. This is the equation number 2. Here also same thing. In enthalpy, dH is equal to TdS plus VdP is the second equation. Okay, now previously E is equal to as a function of temperature and volume. Here enthalpy is, that's why enthalpy as a function of temperature and pressure. After then doing partial differentiate with respect to temperature and pressure. Okay, like this, dH is equal to, with respect to temperature, okay, we get this term. After then with respect to pressure we get this one. Same thing from 2 and like the previous equation also. Previous equation also 2 equal to 3. Here also 2 equal to 3. Here TdS plus VdP is dH is equal, dH is equal, this term equal to this one. Okay, now after then VdP term write as here dP is the common. After then ds, okay, now then write as 1 by t. As almost 90% procedure is the same. Okay, now from the t and v, here in T and V must be insert internal energy equation. Here enthalpy equation. That is the different. Remaining almost procedure same. Next TDS is equal to then 1 by T equation number 4. Then 1 and 4 comparison. Okay na 1 and 4 comparison means here ds is equal to ds. Here dt term, dp term. Okay na 1 and 4. Okay na ds by dt is equal to dh by dt term, and ds by dp is equal to dh by dp minus v. Okay na we get equation number 5 and 6 equation, and 4 we get equation number 5 and 6 equations. After then we get equation number 5 differentiate with dou by dou p. Why? Because dou t term in equation number 5 dou t terms, that's why opposite term is the pressure, dou p to differentiate we get equation number 7. After then we take the equation number 6 differentiate with dou t. Why? Because dou by dou p, that's why opposite term is the temperature, that's why differentiate with the temperature we get equation number 8. Then as it is same equation number 7 substitute in the 8. After then two terms will be cancelled, we get equation number 9. After then equation number 9 and 5th substitute in equation number 1, we get the final equation. Okay, thank you very much. Both are almost same. When we learn to first equation, second one is the very easy. Okay, now must be practiced 2 or 3 times. Okay, thank you very much.